Okay. So coming to the last class, we had studied a principle fry, that is test the test first. What is actually the meaning of test the test first? Whatever we are testing, whatever the test cases we are taking to test the program, those test cases or those tests should be tested by some experts. Okay. For example, in the yesterday's last class, we had studied a simple example of a figure of a audiologist and a patient. We had a audiologist and we have a patient. Who is a audiologist? He is nothing but a medical professional or a doctor, you can think, who is basically diagnoses the hearing problem. Okay, audiologist, audio, it is related to ear, right? So who basically diagnoses what? The hearing problem. He is the audiologist and the patient. So I'll just tell this again and then I'll go to the next principle. So audiologist and the patient means what here? A patient comes to an audiologist or a doctor and she says that, doctor, I'm having problem with my ear. I'm not hearing properly nowadays. Check whether what happened to my ear. The doctor said, okay, I'll check, madam. What will do? He will give some instructions to a patient that I will ask your name from 30 feet. You need to tell. Again, I'll ask from 20 feet. You need to tell your name. Again, I'll ask your name from 10 feet. You need to tell your name. We will see what is your problem of hearing. From how much distance you are not hearing. I will give the solution and the helper. Okay, now the doctor and the patient, they will sit 30 feet apart. The doctor and the patient, they will sit 30 feet apart and the doctor says, okay, tell me your name, and then doctor. Nothing is there, everything will become silent. Okay, then the doctor will come to a 20 feet and he will again tell, what is your name? Again, nothing is there. Okay, everything will be silent. Again, the doctor comes some 10 feet apart from a patient and he will ask, what is your name? The patient will tell, sir, this is the third time I am telling, my name is Sheila Anta Helta. What is the meaning of that? Whenever the doctor asks his name, the patient was telling his name, but the problem was with not patient, but the problem was with what here? The problem was with audiologist. That is, the audiologist was not able to hear the voice of a patient properly. That is, who is the audiologist? Who diagnoses the hearing problem? Okay, who diagnoses the hearing problem of a person? If he itself has a problem, if the audiologist itself has a problem, then does it have any meaning of checking the patient with respect to hear? No, definitely no. So here, the audiologist itself was a patient. He itself was not hearing properly. So he needs to get diagnosed first. He needs to go to another expert, another audiologist, better audiologist in a society, and then he needs to test the patient. Andre yare namak test ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ first they need to be tested properly. Okay, they need to be tested properly. Before they need to test properly, they can't test us. So this is what the case is. A small story we had discussed in the last class. So a few points we studied in this topic, that is in principle 5. Somebody had messaged me that madam give me important questions andre yav exams ig bartava, and after this chapter, no doubt the principle, all principles are very important. They may ask any principle, like for example, explain the test first principle anta kelbodu exam na. They may ask for 2 to 3 marks or they may ask for 5 marks also. For example, next principle, I think 9th and 10th principle are very lengthy. So they will be asking what principle, explain the principle 11 anta kelbodu. 11 anta adar title kottu kelbodu. What you need to do whenever they ask any principle, for example, ide principle antane tagori. For example, if they ask in a exam for 3 marks, explain the test principle anta kelidru anta telkori. So how you need to write? First and the foremost, example you need to write. That is, you need to write a story of audiologist and a patient. That is what? How story is related to principle. Once you write a story, okay, for each and every principle they have given a story. Definitely in your textbook, all 11 principles, they have 11 stories. Okay. So once you write a story, the story will carry the half mark. Another half mark will be for the important points to be covered in the principle. If you refer my PPT, it's enough, I think so. Somebody asked, Madam, notes kodtireno. Notes I'll not give because you need to study the textbook. For your reference, I will give the PPT. Whatever I have done, the presentation for your explanation, I will share with you. You can just collect each important points. I have covered all things. Okay, important points collect ಮಾಡಿ I have put in the PPT. So if you write these points, it's more than enough. But what I have not done in PPT, I have not written story and bardila. I have told on my own, right? Story I have not written, just image hakin on the. I have told the story on your. Similarly, you also write stories of your own. Okay, write stories. And then the points whatever I have given in PPT, if you mention that, it is more than enough. Okay, this itself will be the notes. Separate notes PDF ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ ಆ ತರ the subject ಆ ತರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, nothing but again textbook I will if you want I can do that for you, but what I will do, textbook ಇಂದ copy paste ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. It is better for this subject if you study the textbook. Because I'll just tell why I'm telling you people to study the textbook anta one reason ada. So if I give the notes anta tilkori, this is not subject, okay? I'm telling you some suggestions regarding subject. If I give the notes, what will happen? Think notes naga na one answer iga 10 points hakina tilkori. I will write in points only. If I write my way of writing the notes is what I will write in points only. If you want, I will share, but I will not make a commitment compulsory ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ. ಎದಕ್ಕಂದ್ರೆ notes naga ನಾನು 10 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಒಂದು ಯಾವುದೋ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈಗ 10 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ದಿನ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ. ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ವಾಟ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ, 10 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಗ ಒಂದು 6 7 ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೆನಪಿರೋದೆಷ್ಟು 4 5 ನೆನಪಿರ್ತಾವ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರ್ತೀರಿ. ಅದೇ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಓದಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಓದಿರ್ತೀರಿ, 10 to 15 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಓದಿರ್ತೀರಿ. ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ 10 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನ್. ನಾ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀನಿ, ನೋಟ್ಸ್ 10 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ ನಂದು, ಹಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀನಿ ನಾ ನೋಟ್ಸ್. ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಏನು ಓದಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಹಾಫ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ. ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ 10 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ 5 6 ಹಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ, ಮೀನಿಂಗೇ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಅದೇ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ನ 10 to 15 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದಿಷ್ಟು ಓದ್ರಿ, at least you will have minimum 10 points. This is what complete filtered type of a note, PPT. Main concept it will be covered. For example, in textbook ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, test principle, how you will do ಅಂತ question mark ಹಾಕಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. How you will do those, whether that I'll be including here? No. What is actual concept that I am including in PPT? And the figure audiologist and patient ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಆಡಿಯೋಲಜಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ವಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ, ಒಂದು ಆಡಿಯೋಲಜಿಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಏನಾರ ಬರ್ದಿನ ನಾನು? ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಏನೋ ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಓರಲಿ. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಯು ಗಾಟ್ ದಟ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ. ಸೊ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ನ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೈಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಟು ಆಡಿಯೋಲಜಿಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 30 feet ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ. ನಾ ಓನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳೀನಿ, ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ರೀಡ್ ದ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಟು ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 30 feet, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹಿಂಗ ಕೋಲನ್ ಹಾಕಿ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಅಂತ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಾಟ್ 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 ಇಟ್ಟಾರ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 20 feet ಕೋಲನ್ ಹಾಕಿ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮತ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಡಾಟ್. ದೆನ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 10 feet he asked what is your name question mark. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ನೇಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ. ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ನೀಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ದ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್. ಬಟ್ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೂ ಮೇಡಮ್ ನಂಗೆ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಓದಕ್ ಆಗೋಲ್ತ್ರಿ, ಫುಲ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗೋವಲ್ತು, ಹಂಗೆ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ if many people are facing, I'll make a notes for you. But PPT, after end of a chapter, what I'll do, my plan is, if for example first chapter is 11 principles, 5 principles we have completed, 11 principles are the chapter 1 is completed. 11 principles easy alla, principle 8 9 10 are very lengthy, 2 to 3 classes I require for that. So once I complete the first chapter, I'll give the important questions from first chapter, means what are the expecting questions in the examinations, those I will be giving, and PPT definitely I will share with you after completion of chapter ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗಿವ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀವು ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊರಿ. ಮತ್ತೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಆ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಇನ್ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗೋಲ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದಿನ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅ ಸೆಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್. No doubt, let 1 hour go. One day after every chapter, I will take a session for doubts. I'll unmute everybody so that one person can ask me doubts. Madam, ee principle artha agilla, na absent idde, ನೀವು explain ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಲಿಂಕ್ ನೋಡಿನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗವಲ್ತು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ explain ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಈ ತರ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ queries ಇದ್ರೆ we'll keep 1 hour for doubt session. So after every chapter I'll give what important questions I'll be giving regarding that chapter, and next is I will be giving the PPT. And if you insist ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಓದಿದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗೋದ್ರಿ, ನೀವು ನೋಟ್ಸೇ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಫಾರ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್, ಬಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸಜೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಬೆಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನ ಹುಡುಗರು ನೋಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ಅಡಿಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಾರಂತ. ಐ ಲಿಸನ್ಡ್, ಐ ಕೇಮ್ ಟು ನೋ ದಟ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಓದ್ತೀವ್ರಿ, ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅರ್ಥನೇ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಥರ ಇಫ್ ಎನಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್ ಮೀ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟ್ರೈ. ಬಟ್ PPT ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್ಡ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅದು PPT ನಂದು. ಓಕೆ, ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್, ಬಟ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರೆಯಲ್ಲ ನೀವು, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ದನ್ ಇನಫ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಾನಂತೂ ಯಾವ ಬೇರೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಾರ್ದ ಹಂಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರಲ್ಲ. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಮೇನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್. ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿಗೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಇರ್ತದ, ನಾನು ಓನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತೀನಿ ನನ್ನ ಬಾಯಿಂದ, ನಿಮ್ಗದು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೈ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಓದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು ನಾನು. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಇಫ್ ಎನಿಬಡಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್. ಯಾರೋ one of your classmates had messaged me, important questions kodri madam anta. Okay, I will give that. Not from my side, definitely I will give important questions and PPTs after chapter completion. Chapter ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಗ್ಲಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಒನ್ ಡೇ ಡೌಟ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ಇಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ. ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ವರ್ಗೂ ಇಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್. ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಏನದ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರು ಏನು ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರ ಅದನ್ನು ಕೇಳಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಮೈ ಸೈಡ್. ನೋಟ್ಸ್, if you feel difficulty, then only I'll see the situation, then I'll prepare. Notes madak nange ಏನು ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲ, problem ಇಲ್ಲ. But from my side, it is better to read the text. That is why I'm telling. Okay. Okay, this was about general thing about your convenience regarding subject. Okay, so this is the audiologist and a patient again coming back. So first and the foremost, we cannot assume that test will be perfect always. Okay. Test will be perfect always. First point, again I am just telling, we cannot assume that all the tests will be perfect at the same time. Some tests will work successfully, some tests itself they will be wrong. So what we need to do, we need to test the test first. Okay, we need to test the test first. So one way of making sure the tests are tested is documenting the test anta ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ. We need to document the test. How we need to document the test? With some experts. I need to take a suggestions from experts and I need to make a document. Your document hang ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು? First, there will be 2 columns. Documents, there will be 2 columns. One is our result, another one is expected result. Either the expected result, test in the. For example, if I test a test, there will be another one thing I want to make you clear. Test anta ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. Whenever I tell a word test, I am testing a software product. How I am testing a software product? First and the foremost question. How we are testing a software product? With the help of test cases. You need to know what is a test cases. So test cases in next principle will study complete about test case only. Don't worry. But in this principle, just remember we need to test the test. All tests will not be perfect. How we are going to test the test or test cases? With the help of document. What is actually the document? What will be there in the document? Imagine there will be 2 columns. First column will be our result. Second column will be definitely expected outputs. Expected outputs, either the outputs, test in the outputs. Whatever we are testing, other the aim output other. Expected output and our result, both should be same. If both are not same, then there is a problem with the test. Definitely if both are same, then it means that our test is successful. successful and it is ready to test our software product. So first and foremost, see here, one way of making sure the tests are tested is document the file. How we are going to document the file? Adragna il bardilla. Oh, nagi helin. There will be two columns. One will be given our result. One will be expected. These things you need to write in detail. That's it. They need to match with each other. How I'll prepare the documents? With the help of an expert, with the help of taking a suggestion of an expert, some highly senior testers. I will take the suggestions from them. I'll make a document. Once both are matching to each other, then by comparing. See here, comparing the known correct result. Known correct result andre ಏನು? Our result. What I got. If I compare that with the expected result, then what happens? My confidence level also will be increased. Before a software product is given to a customers outside, what happens? My confidence level will be increased. And hence, no doubt ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ time waste it will be there for a testing of a test, but still confidence level will be increased, and if we produce a good product to a customer, definitely he will be satisfied or he will be happy. Last point. So one of your classmates, he said that something confusing is there here. So test the test first here. A detective test is more dangerous than a defective product. Hangandre eno in detail if you want. So test the test first is what? Principal hesaru. Principal title is test the test first. A detective test is more dangerous than a defective product. Okay. Now they'll come now. Please come on time. Okay. See here, a defective test is more dangerous than a defective product. I'll give a simple example here. For example, consider your parents. Okay. Consider your parents. From our parents, we have come into existence, right? So we think that we are a product, and our parents are the what from them we have been developed. So think that if our parents have not taught a proper culture for us, definitely, for example, think that nana sarilla means what? I will be only fighting. I will not be properly maintaining the discipline in the class and all. Okay, and I'm not actually a proper student. Definitely, teacher who will blame? Whether she'll blame me or whether she'll blame my parents? What she'll tell? Nim appa amma en culture nimuga. Yes or no? Definitely simple. What teacher will tell? Nim appa amma en culture. What is the meaning of that? The blame will not only go for me but also to my parents. Hangandre ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ? ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ? ಬೇರೆ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮ ಚಲೋ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಚಲೋ ಇರ್ತಾರ, ಚಲೋ ಕಲ್ಚರ್, ಚಲೋ they will be giving a proper culture to their kids ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So what happens? If parents are good, definitely they will give a proper culture for us. If parents itself are fighting with each other daily, they are not understanding with each other, then definitely the kid also will grow up like that only. The kid also will be fighting with everybody, with doing all the nonsense and all. So what happens here? A defective test. So a defective parent is more dangerous than the defective, what is called as a son or a daughter. So what happens here? First, who are doing the test? For example, if parents are telling us hangiru hingiru anta parents helidre, what we will tell us? First, ನೀವು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ರೆ definitely will be good. Yes or no here? First, who are testing? They need to be proper. Then, so that our product also will be proper. Definitely. This is simple general example. Another one thing, I gave a Viva exam. I will tell that in detail. This is simple. How detail? For example, think that you people have come for a lab. Okay, I am a new lecturer. As of now, I am taking class. I am a new lecturer for you. Imagine like that. Okay. Once I come to a class and I am taking a Viva, what happens? I don't know what subject is going on in the lab. ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ನಾಗ ನೀವು C++ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಮಾಡಕತ್ತೀರಿ, ನಂಗೆ ನಾಲೆಜೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಬಂದು ಕೂತೀನಿ, ಕಳ್ಸರ ಬಂದು ಕೂತೀನಿ, ನಂಗೆ ಏನು ನಾಲೆಜೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ. ಸೊ ಐ ಕಾಲ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್, She has executed everybody. She has come for Viva. Think that I'm asking a question which is not at all related to C++. I'm asking a question which is not at all related to C++. Whether the student will be able to tell the answer, no doubt she is a good student. No doubt she is a good student. Whether she'll be able to ask the question, definitely no. Whether she'll be able to answer the question, definitely no. Then what happens here? Who has the problem? Student or me? Me. Teacher, who is testing the student, who is testing the student's knowledge itself. Teacher itself has a problem. So what to do now? Teacher have a problem now. What to do? What to do for teacher now? For teacher, the HOD should test the teacher. What knowledge teacher has? She don't know C++. How can they send me to the C++ lab? They need to have a knowledge. So I'm testing the students. I need to be tested first. What knowledge I have, whether I'm capable of asking the students, whether whatever the students will answer, whether I'll be able to judge the what students are answering. So ಈ ತರ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತದ, ಯಾರು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದಾರ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಚಾಲೆಂಜಸ್ ಇದಾವ. They need to be properly tested first. Once they are properly tested, then only what happens? The product will be tested properly. If tester itself has a problem, then definitely the product also will be having a problem. So the principle says test the test first. Test the test first. So if the tester is good, if the tester has a knowledge of everything, if the tester is perfect, then only he can test the product. If tester itself has a problem in him, he don't know how to test, what to test, and he don't know how to perform the test also, then definitely he can't do any of our testing. Please come on time, everybody. So this is what we discussed in the last class. So today I will be telling the next principle, that is the pesticide paradox. Just example story ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಇವತ್ತು. ನಾಳೆ in detail I will tell what is the principle about. Okay. I will just tell the story of a next principle, and then I will tomorrow's class I will tell the exact what is its meaning. Okay. Now coming to the next principle, principle 6. Principle 6 states that, turn to a board, it tells that tests develop the immunity and have to be revised constantly. And tests should develop immunity and have to be revised constantly. What is the meaning of that? What is the meaning of that? Test or a test cases anta tilkori. Idralli we will study what is a test case in detail. Okay. Test means what? How we are going to test a product with the help of test cases. How we are going to develop a product with the help of a test cases. Definitely. So these test cases or these tests, they need to develop immunity. Immunity is what? Immunity is what? Nowadays, due to corona, everybody is talking about immunity boosters. We'll drink immunity boosters at the house. We'll have a healthy food. What is that immunity? What? I think you are familiar with the term immunity. It is nothing but fighting against the virus. Our body, it should fight against the virus or a bacterial infection. Our body should be capable. Immunity body antandre eno? Our body should be capable of fighting against the viruses, against the infection or a bacterial infection. What is the meaning of that? How our body will fight? Automatically, whether our body will fight? Sometimes some of the acids like HCl and all, it will be there in our acids, in our body. They will fight against the infection. For example, you drink a water, no doubt we drink mineral good water only. It's to now RO, however, whatever the precautions we take, there will be so many bacteria, okay, in our drinking water, definitely. No doubt we have a RO filter in our house, everything, but still there will be a small bacteria. ಏನಾಗ್ತದ? ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಏನೋ ಸಣ್ಣ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೀರಿಯಾ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತದೆ, ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಂಗೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. What will be there? Our body has taken thousands of bacteria. You don't know that. We don't know. While eating or while taking a breath, both. So there are so many bacteria. What will happen? What will happen when I'm taking so much of bacteria? I don't know whether the bacteria are inside the stomach or no, even I don't know. So God is so intelligent that He has created one small acid in our body called as HCl, called as hydrochloric acid, where with the help of it, whatever the minute bacteria will be there, that HCl will kill our body. That HCl will kill our body. If you don't know, go and search today. There will be a minute, small amount of acid in our body where whatever the infections or bacteria will go inside our body, definitely what happens? The HCl will kill the bacteria. Now, coming to the, okay, that is okay. There are some of the viruses like corona, now we came into existence, where there will be where we require what? Immunity boosters. Where we require what? Immunity boosters. What is the meaning of a immunity boosting? What is the meaning of a immunity? Our body should be able to fight against the viruses. Henga body fight ಮಾಡ್ತದ? ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ body fight against that virus ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಗ್ತದ? No. For that we need to take some of the food items or some of the drinks which creates or which develops immunity in us. Which develops what? Immunity in us. For example, nowadays we are taking hot water. Hot water creates one of the best immunity booster. Eat the hot food anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Drink hot water. Then there are so many precautions they have come into existence. Inhaling ಮಾಡಬೇಕು daily. So this is what the precautions what we are taking. So now what is the immunity here ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. Madam, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು immunity? Similarly, how our body develops immunity, our test ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವು? ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿವಿ, ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಸಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ. ಓಕೆ, our test cases should develop what? Immunity. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ immunity? We'll study in the next class. Okay, our test cases should develop what? Immunity and have to be revised constantly. Revised constantly ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಚೆಕಿಂಗ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಲಿ. ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಿಡೋದು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ನ ಅಗೇನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಆಗಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತದೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ, ಇಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಅದನ್ನೋ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕೋ ಏನೋ, ಈ ತರ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ಗೋ ಆನ್ ಚೆಕಿಂಗ್ ದ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಸಸ್. ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಸಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ. ನೌ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಅ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಹಿಯರ್, you can see here there is one field. Okay, there is a field and tilkori crop. Here we have a farmer. Okay, and farmer he is spraying something. As you can see, this is nothing but a pesticide. The pesticide paradox. Pesticide paradox andre enu? First I will tell that meaning. Before going to the pesticide, we need to know what is a pest. Pest andre enu? What is a pest? I think in Kannada they will tell Keeta, right? Keeta answer. Okay, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Pests are nothing but, what are actually pests? I think you have heard. These are the insects. These are the insects which spoil what? Grains or a crop in a field. ಕೇಳಿರ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು. Nowadays there are so many pesticides coming. So what happens here? The pesticide paradox ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. First pest ಅಂತ ಏನಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು. These are nothing but a small insects or like small insects. Better it is animals ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬಹುದು, or insects which spoil the crop. Okay, which spoil the grains. So what we'll do for that pest? We'll do nothing but we'll spray the pesticide. Pesticide andre ಏನು? Pesticides are nothing but a substance which kill the pest or which reduce the amount of pest in our crop. Nowadays there will be so much of farmers who will be they'll be suffering like with the help of pests. Actually, there are so many of the farmers, they will take so many of actions. We don't know, we have not into that field. If you know, some of you, I think if you have an experience with your father or relatives, they are suffering so much with the help of pests. These farmers, they have so many of the challenges in life. Not only about pests, pest is okay. ಇವಾಗಿನ ಕಾಲದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು different types of pesticides ಬರ್ತಾವ ಹೊಡೆದ್ರೆ okay. But if you think about natural calamities like rain and all, sometimes rain, heavy rain ಬರ್ತದೆ, where crops, everything will be vanished. Sometimes what happens, there will be not at all rain. Crops will go on drying. So what happens? There are so many challenges for a farmers. Just this is a simple example, but if you go into deep, there are so many challenges. So this pesticide is a small example. It is a small challenge for a farmer. So I think you came to know what is actually pest. It is nothing but an insect which harm our cultivated crops. And next we have a pesticide. Pesticide is nothing but what? It is a substance which kill the pest. If you are going to see here, there is one expert or a farmer. He'll hill the pesticide in the spray madligatar. Okay, so you can see this. Coming to this, what is the paradox? Paradox is nothing but if I want to tell you in Kannada, paradox is truth. Okay, paradise antandrenu, one term for paradise is truth. What kind of truth? Truth nage eshtu kondada. For example, ee meaning technical ಏನಲ್ಲ ಇದು. This is not a technical word. This is simple English word. Okay. ಈಗ for example, I have 3 close friends. Imagine I have hardly left some 2 minutes. Okay, I'll tell this example. ನಾಳೆ story ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. So I'll tell the meaning of paradox. For example, 3 friends ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ. We 3 are best friends with each other. Very close with each other. One of the friend, okay, for me 2 friends are close. Ikkinu ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಬ್ರು ನಂಗೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್. Whereas ಇವರಿಬ್ರು ಏನಿದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಇವರಿಬ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. So one of my friend A, she will tell me one secret and she will tell, don't tell to that B person. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಕ್ಕಿ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ನನಗೇನು, ಇಬ್ಬರದು both are close with each other. ಅಕ್ಕಿನೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚಲ್ಲ, ಇಕ್ಕಿನೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? What will happen? The person B, she will ask about that topic. The person B, she will ask that topic. What I will do? Whether I should tell or whether I should not tell? Both are close with each other. ಅವಾಗ ನಾ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ? ಟ್ರುತ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ಲು ನಂಗೆ, ಎ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ಲು ಅದು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಇಷ್ಟ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ದ ಟ್ರುತ್. ವಿಪರ್ಯಾಸ ಅಂತ ಅಂತಾರೆ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ವಿಪರ್ಯಾಸವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಬಂತು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್. I don't want to tell actually, but this is the fact. Anta, that is the paradox. I think you came to know the meaning of paradox. Paradox is truth ಹೇಳೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಏನು ನಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಇದು ಸತ್ಯನೇ ಅದ. ಸತ್ಯ ಯಾರಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಚ್ಚಿಡಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಾರೆ. So this is the truth. So here the pesticide paradox meaning is, no doubt this pesticide paradox will not affect our test cases, but still ವಿಪರ್ಯಾಸ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ this pesticide it is one of the examples for our test to develop the immunity. This is the paradox. So what is this story of this? I will tell in the next class. What to do with this? ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ, ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ, ಏನಾಗ್ತದ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಗ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಏನದ, ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಇಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿಗ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, so whether everybody follow today's class? I just glanced last class, I told something about your subject and this was some story I told. Whether everybody followed? Raise your hands. Everybody should raise your hands. Okay. So I gave you instructions regarding important questions, notes ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿನಿ. ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೂ ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ you can contact me at any time. One question ಕೇಳಿದ್ದು ನಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತೀನಿ, because everybody may have, ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ಕೇಳಕ್ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡಲ್ಲ. ಒನ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್, ಸೊ ಐ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫೈ ಇನ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೈ way how I take. Okay, fine. Okay, we'll end this session. We'll continue in the next class. Fine. Okay.